Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In this video, we'll discuss the Current Inventory Snapshot report in NetSuite. The Current Inventory Snapshot report provides a real-time view of your inventory levels across items and locations. It's a quick way to see what you have on hand, what's already committed, and what's available for sale or use. To access it, navigate to Reports, Inventory Items, Current Inventory Snapshot. By default, the report shows all items and locations. For this demo, let's filter the location to my warehouse. As an example, we'll use the item LGC item test. Here, the report shows an on-hand quantity of 500. If we open the item record, it confirms the same 500 units. We also see a committed quantity of 500. Let's drill into the transaction. These 500 units are fully committed to an open order. Since the total demand for that order is 2,000 units, we still need an additional 1,500 units. That's why the report shows 1,500 in the to-order column. Other useful columns: on order, quantities expected from open purchase orders; to ship, quantities scheduled to be shipped to customers. And that's it for the Current Inventory Snapshot report in NetSuite. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.